AI has changed how students learn and how they think. Every tool, every assignment, every search now has an AI shortcut. But the real challenge isn't whether students use AI, it's how they use it. When students lean too heavily on AI, they lose critical thinking skills and the ability to reason for themselves. The goal isn't to ban AI, but to teach students how to think with it. Introducing CoTutor, Porto's AI-powered learning assistant, designed to help students think critically, learn independently, and use AI responsibly. CoTutor bridges the gap between human insight and AI assistance, guiding, not giving answers. CoTutor integrates directly into the tools students already use: Word, Jupyter, Visual Studio, and more. As they write, code, or analyze data, CoTutor provides structured hints and suggestions that encourage problem solving, not copy-paste solutions. With CoTutor, students gain confidence in their own abilities. They learn to question, analyze, and improve, developing the critical thinking and AI literacy that the modern workplace demands. Instead of replacing effort, CoTutor reinforces learning, turning every task into a teachable moment. Faculty can easily set guardrails, choosing when and how CoTutor can assist. They can tailor prompts to align with course objectives, ensuring that AI use enhances learning instead of undermining it. This gives educators confidence that every student interaction with AI remains transparent and accountable. Across the institution, CoTutor enables an AI-first learning environment, one that aligns with evolving accreditation, ethics, and employability standards. Administrators gain visibility into how students engage with AI, empowering data-driven decisions that strengthen curriculum and uphold integrity. CoTutor helps students understand why academic integrity matters, not just what they can't do. By learning to use AI responsibly, they prepare to enter a workforce that values both creativity and ethics. It's not about avoiding AI, it's about mastering it. When students think critically and use AI responsibly, learning outcomes improve. Faculty teach more effectively. Institutions lead with innovation and trust. CoTutor transforms AI from a challenge into a catalyst for smarter, more ethical education. AI will shape the future of every profession. With CoTutor, institutions can ensure their students don't just use AI, they understand it, guide it, and lead with it.